Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode we're making a very simple banana bread. Do you guys have bananas that look like this, that are very dark and brown? You forgot you had them, you threw them in the freezer, you forgot you had them again, and then you're finally like, let me make something with that? Well, today we're going to show you just how to make a very easy banana bread, and I'm going to have my mom make it, and we're going to get straight to it. You ready?
That's right. Show me what to do and I'll follow your lead.
So I'll have my mom start by creaming the butter and sugar. All the ingredients and the directions will be in the video description at the end of the video, and we will take you on a closer look to see really it's like a one dump cake again. Put it in a mold and put it in the oven and forget about it for an hour, and then come back and then you can enjoy it. So very easy cake. I'll have my mom start to cream the butter and sugar and take you guys in on a closer look. Ready, Mom?
Ready?
Okay, let's go. it, we put it in our baking loaf. You can choose to cook in glass, aluminum. I'm using my silicone loaf pan, any type of molding. Now you know how to cook with it, so if you have to line yours with parchment paper or a little bit of lard and flour, etc., you do as you wish. We suggest to always place it and cook it on a pan in case anything spills over, just so that it doesn't burn in your oven. So we have our baking loaf on a pan lined with some parchment paper. It's gonna go in the oven for about 1 hour at 350. Now again, everybody's oven is different, so I want you to periodically check in on yours, and it has to pass the toothpick test, which basically means that putting a toothpick or a little wooden skewer in the center, if it's coming out dry, that means it's cooked through. So we will see you guys once this is done, and we'll show you just how delicious it is. And that's it. See you guys in an hour?
That's right.
See you in an hour. There you have it. Delicious, easy to make banana bread. So don't throw those bananas away. Put them in the freezer, forget about them, and then when you remember, make this cake. Do you want to try a piece?
I'm sure it tastes delicious, but yes, I'll try a piece.
But yes, we will try one. You could totally omit the walnuts too, but I find walnuts, good crunch, the chocolate, perfect. The sweetness from the banana, a little extra sweetness with the sugar.
I'll take another piece, it's so good.
Absolutely delicious.
Really good.
So we hope you guys enjoyed. Another quick, simple, easy thing to make. That's exactly what we want to continue to showcase on our channel. And until next time, weekly content uploaded on Sundays. See you on the next episode, and continue to
love what you eat.
Love what you eat. Bye.
See you next time.